All Meghalaya Tourism Association lane AMTTA kala pelong ya ke jingelang pat ba ni ke sengi ha ka bakal rai ban IT ya ke dorkas ja menteri rang ba ke Jylla u Konrad ke sangma ban kentu ya ke soka Jylla bahkan khanglat i kali toris ki bawan Assam ban ki wei ki Jylla ban Rung syaki Jaka Jngohkai jong ke Jylla Meghalaya. Hakani ke jingelang ke belalong Hamadan Malki u presiden keseng uba Rikaldinos Doleng bandur ya ke soka halo kita ki jingut jingnam jongki.
First of all, we'll give two opening letters to signatures. For 1 week, we give time for them. And after that, we'll take the second step. If this letter will not happen, anything will not get any response from the government. So the second step will take for the peace rally, and the third step will take for the hunger strike, and we'll stop for carrying passenger from to Shillong to Guwahati. We will stop carrying passenger. That is banned. We said no. We will stop ourselves not to flying passenger here and there. That's it.
Ka Balang Unitarian Hajawai